Okay, so I was asked by Segway to check the batteries. So first let's zoom on the serial numbers. So let's start with this one. So you can see the serial number 35ABL 16A7B0291. Let's look at the other one. So the other one is 35A8L16A5B1601. So eventually these are not working. No LEDs lights, not here and not here. So now let's try the instructions that Segway got. So I have here the original power supply of Ninebot. So I will try to connect to each of the batteries and to see what is happening. So first battery, I am applying voltage and nothing even lights up. Battery is totally dead, so nothing will happen. Okay, totally dead. Let's take the second battery, try to apply voltage. Here we can see it is starting to flash. Starting to flash is looks like it is a good sign that it is maybe charging. So we'll wait. We'll wait to see what about the voltage, if it's doing something to the battery voltage. So I have here a flock. You can see it with the light nearby, blinking light. Let's check. You can see that the voltage is not stable at all, and it is 6 volt, 5 volt. So eventually it is not really charging the battery. We can say that it is doing nothing. Okay, so each battery that is non-working have other identification issues. Actually the voltage is decreasing, not that it is not rising, it is decreasing. So at this time I suspect that if the battery should get a refresh voltage or something like this, so after a few minutes when I will unplug it, it should turn to green. So let's wait to see what happens. We'll wait a little longer, maybe check again the voltage. You can see the voltage is not going up. When I'm touching it with the fluke, it is decreasing. So the battery is not doing any refresh mode that will get it back to work. Now let's unplug to see what happened about the LED. At this time, if it needs a little charge, so the LED should be turned to green again, but it is not, as you can see. Okay, so maybe let's try to open the cells and see what happened inside. I will try maybe this one because the other is totally dead. So I will try to cut it. What I'm doing now, after cutting it, of course, it will not be like a brand new like it is now. You can see that the cell, each of them was not open at all. These are brand new cells. So all the plastic has no sign of wear. It is totally new. Also about this battery, no one have touched it. It's brand new with no sign of wear. Brand new battery. You can see this one is a brand new batteries that got from a new box. So this is what is happening. I will try to open it and see what is going inside. So I've succeeded to cut the battery and open it. Eventually you can't use it anymore because it is not sealed, but I want to check the cells and to see and to show that some of the cells are actually dead, so there is nothing to do with it. So let's go over the cell one by one. You can measure it here. This one is good, this one is good, this one is good, this one is good, this one is good. Now the other side, this one is okay, this one is okay, this one is also okay. Okay, here I have 0.3 volts, so 2 cells here are dead. There is nothing I can do about. These 2 cells are good, these 2 cells are good, and also the last cells is 0.6 volt. So I have here 4 cells inside the battery that I cannot revive because they are dead, and the BMS is not working because they want to protect the output, and it knows that 4 cells here are totally dead. So you can't actually do anything, especially after I open it, just to show that there are dead cells inside the battery. And in this case there is nothing you can do. Hope this is explain everything, and bye bye.